Yo, 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 what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. We are going to make some money tonight. What's our record? Oh boy, is this thing dropping. We might just take the same trade again. There's no reason not to. Jan, what's going on? How are you? What's going on, everybody? We got a lot of new faces in here. Hope everybody's having a good day. We're gonna make some money tonight. We have absolutely crushed it this week, guys. Absolutely crushed it. I already see what's going on here. I mean, look at this Euro JPY trade, guys. This Euro JPY trade. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, like we talked about. We've been in this trade on and off for the past day. It's still got 60 pips. 6-0. 60 pips still. I mean, can't be mad at that at all. I'm not. Alright, let's look at some volume here. Euro JPY, we're going to move up here. GJ is dropping off the face of the earth. Yeah, GJ's dropping. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh my goodness. GJ can go for roughly 65 pips. It's in a sell. We've been in a consolidation period for, oh boy, quite some time here. Let's draw up another one of these resistance and support zones. GJ's been consolidating for roughly... that's not what I meant to do. Sorry, guys. Totally meant to pull out the measuring tool there. GJ's been consolidating for 1 day and 18 hours. Sydney, what's up? Adam Cross, what's up? How we doing, guys? How we doing? Adam, what's going on? Jose, what's going on? Yo, yo. There's a lot of emojis there. We got some stuff going on, though. We got some stuff going on. Let's see what this hour does. We're going to be getting into a trade relatively quickly here. I already know it. Euro JPY and GJ. I mean, Euro JPY is almost a no-brainer. I'm going to delete this because this was the trade we were in yesterday. I just think that we're already at the point where this is going. Like, I want to sell this already. I think we're going to come up and create a wick. Nello! What's up, man? Nello's in the stream. Let's go. So we already have a strong support, a strong resistance, rejection of the EMA ribbon, the sell signal, the consistent testing of this EMA ribbon. 1, 2, 3, higher highs, lower lows. We have a confirmed downtrend. Everything here is showing that this thing's going to keep dropping. We've had 4 bearish candles in a row. You hop to the 4-hour chart. Oh, let me delete those. We hop to the 4-hour chart. I mean, this thing is bearish as bearish can be. It consolidated at this fair value gap. I mean, this is... I think this thing's going down. GJ too. GJ's for sure going down. I want to see it break this fair value gap but they're all going down. We're gonna wait on the 5-minute here to see what we got going on. Yeah, no, we already got it. GJ gap down to open up. Yeah, I mean this thing. Let's see what happens on the 5-minute here. I gotta transfer some money here. How did everybody's day go? Everybody have a good day today? I had a good day. I got to play golf. I hope everybody else did. We got some good content coming out this week, guys. Really good stuff. Jose had a good day. That's good. I think we're going to sell GJ right now, to be honest with you. I'm selling it. I'm selling GJ, guys. I already know it. That's the thing. I'm selling GJ. Alright, so we're selling GJ. Let me take a look at this 1 hour just to get our chart set up right. Let me put our take profits in here. 1, 2, and 3, and we'll get 4 to the bottom, obviously. So there's our moves. Let me send this to the group real quick. Copy image. Let me send this to the group. We're sending this to everyone tonight. VIP and free. I just got it out to get it out. I will send everybody the take profits and the stop losses that I have set up, but I wanted to get it out. As you guys know, sometimes the market moves quickly. I wanted to make sure that we had it there. I wanted to make sure that we were in. Everybody was in and ready to lock and load. Should have a new 5-minute candle right now anyway. Yeah, we got the sell on the 15 on the indicator. We got the sell on the 5 on the indicator. It's a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. We meet all 4 of our confirmations 5 minutes into market open. Can't be mad at that. I gotta move some money around here. Last time we got a sell candle. The last couple times we got a sell candle. It took about 2-3 candles to get there on the 5 or the 15. I think we're touching 209.222. 209.215 is what I think we're touching tonight. Personally. That's where I think we're heading toward. It's already dropping. Let's see. Let's look at the technicals. Sell, 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 sell. Every technical says sell. All of our rules are met. This is a sell all day. There we go. Already in profit. Already in profit. What are we? Couple pips in profit. What is it to TP1? Is everybody in this, by the way, guys? Already 2.3 pips almost. Yeah, 3 pips ain't bad. Yep. We're already in profit, baby. Let's go. 8 minutes into market open. We're already 5.3 pips in profit. Heading down towards TP1 already. TP1 would be 11 pips for us. Already 250 bones. Sorry, guys. I'm moving money around right now. Alright, let's move this stuff. TP1, let's go. We're already at TP1 for 12.6 pips. Copy image. Send it to the group. Let's go. TP1 smacked. 12 plus pips. Well, that was easy, guys. What'd that take us? 10 minutes into the stream? 10 minutes into the stream for half a grand? Nello, you still here? We got it going on tonight, guys. Already a little over $500 in profit. Can't complain about that. And we've had a banger of a week, guys. Everybody who's been riding with me, we've had a banger of a week. You guys know it. It's just been good. It's been really good, you know what I mean? Alright, let's send this to my wallet here. Alright, we got a trade open there. Let's go. Alright, let's deposit money. Bitcoin. Who's in this trade, boys? He's in. I4D's in. Oh, comments on the horizontal? Hold on. Oh, shit, I was missing a ton of comments, guys. My bad. Hold on, let me refresh the chat. I was missing a ton of comments. TV1, ding, next, yeah. My bad. My lot size was small. Profit is profit. Still made profit. Holding up a few hundred. There we go. There we go. It just fixed itself. It fixed itself. I had to refresh the chat there, guys. Let's go. I mean, this is the move we were looking for. How much should I buy in Bitcoin? 986.40. Or were you in a demo? Straight out the jungle. This real rap, no mumble. Straight out the jungle. Alright, money sent. Let's go. Oh, yeah, you're using a Dell Unfiltered Bangla. Oh, yeah, you don't have to mod. Sydney's holding. Sydney's in. Theory's in. What's up, Theory? Sorry, guys. I don't know why my comments weren't showing up. Shit, I was like, everybody's sleeping. There you go. Now you're on the right account, Adele. Let's go. And we got dual stream back up tonight. We're already in the money. I mean, this is 12, 13 pips. Let's see what that hour looks like. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's an hour candle I like. What does Euro JPY look like? Yeah, Euro JPY did the same thing. We could have taken either trade, to be honest with you. Either of those trades would have been nice. We took GJ, had more volume. That's fine. Good, let's get some retracement. Let's add some more positions. 0.073 times, good. Good. Good, good, good. What do you mean no data? What are you talking about, no data? Man, YouTube is just having a rough time as of lately. YouTube is really struggling lately, guys. Yeah, no, YouTube's struggling. YouTube's struggling hard. Yeah, just go horizontal, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why. YouTube's been struggling the past couple days. Hard. Check the health of your internet. My internet's fine. Yep, horizontal just cut. I know. I don't know why. I don't know why, guys. We got two options, though. We got two options. We could close the stream and restart it, or we can just stick with vertical. I think we just stick with the vertical. I don't want to start closing shit, you know? I just don't understand why Streamlabs has this problem with, I just don't understand. Yeah, we're just gonna have to stick with vertical. Sorry, guys. I hate that that happens. I don't know why it happens either. It's YouTube, man. It's YouTube, man. It's alright. We'll just have a higher time frame of viewer duration on this one. It is what it is. There you go. Come up and retest that area. Let it come up and retest. We're fine with that. Just keep saying shit about frame dropping. Frame dropping. YouTube as a whole is just lagging right now. I just looked it up. YouTube as a whole is just not doing well. I don't know why. Who knows? Is everybody still commenting, or is that even not coming through now? Love that move, though. Love that move. Yeah, that was a good move. This thing's gonna drop. Okay, yeah, I didn't know if it was just glitching out everywhere. I just keep getting frame dropping things. Saying, oh, the frame dropped, oh, the frame dropped. It's like, oh my god. If it keeps dropping that bad, we'll just start a new stream, but... Heading towards TP2, boys. Yeah, it's doing it everywhere now. Fucking hate YouTube. Sometimes I really do. Let's go, Adele. We're 4-0 this week, baby. Let's go. Here's what we'll do. If YouTube keeps messing up, I'm just going to go live in the Discord for everybody. I'll just go live straight in the Discord for everybody. So if you're not in the Discord and you're on this stream and YouTube keeps messing up, I'm just going to go straight live in the Discord. Clean week. Clean week. Yes, it was. Oh, sorry. Let's mess that up. Yeah, YouTube's showing issues with the other stream too now. Are you guys having poor connection on there? Let me know. It's frustrating, to say the least. Frustrating, to say the least. Euro JPY is dropping its pants too. We should see 42 pips on Euro JPY in my opinion. Consolidation area is just going. GBP USD, GBP AUD, Euro AUD, GBP CAD, GBP NZD. Now it says excellent, so we should be good. Alright. Still very happy with this trade, guys. I wouldn't even mind seeing it come up more just so I can get in again. Euro JPY is pretty much the same chart, guys. And the Euro's been bearish all week. So, like, if you wanted to do the same on Euro JPY. And the day, oh my gosh, the day is so bearish. The day could possibly go to 180.789 on Euro JPY. So if we look at Euro JPY, yep, it crashed on the horizontal one, yeah. Yeah, the partials is the way to go. Look at Euro JPY on the day, guys. I want you to look at this chart right here. Oh my goodness. We're going to come down and touch 182.044. Schubert, what's up, man? How are you? Yeah, no, it doesn't work like that. I wish to. Yeah, this day chart's dropping too. We got a new 15-minute candle coming in here soon too. Hello, based on yesterday's discussion, where's the rest of the question? I'd be happy to answer. Yes, Abdul, I do. It is GJ, GBP, JPY. We are in sells. Look at USD, JPY. Okay. It's probably dropping. Yeah, I would imagine. All the JPY pairs are getting strong, so everything else is dropping. Yeah, USD, JPY has now broken the zone that we talked about. So the zone we talked about is here, so you could expect to see this. That's what I expect out of USD, JPY. Yes, Schubert, I believe that to be true. I think all the pairs with JPY as their secondary pairs are dropping because the JPY is getting stronger. JPY is a secondary pair. Getting stronger would mean that the dollar, the Great British Pound, and the euro are all going to be dropping. You are correct in saying that, yes. I don't trade gold, man. I can look at it for you, but I don't trade gold. It's in a zone. It's in a zone. It's in a dead zone right now. You're in between here and here. You had a break of structure right here because this is another support and resistance. You had a break of structure. It's retesting this area. It could either come down or it could go up. There's no decisive move on gold right now. I wouldn't touch gold if I were you. I would not touch gold. Just based off what I'm seeing. And we have no red folder news tonight either, guys. Deposit has been executed. There we go. Done. No, yeah, you can enter now. We're almost back at break even. Yeah, me too. Me too. This, for the long haul through the night, should drop down here, in my opinion. Again, if we look at the 4 hour, the 4 hours bearish, right? 4 hours bearish. We've been consolidating at this fair value gap. We've been consolidating under the EMA ribbon. The trend is down. We're going to see a low down here, in my opinion. The only thing that we have had that in terms of buying pressure is some wicks. That's it. But if we look at Euro JPY, same thing, guys. Like Euro JPY is just on a downtrend. They're gonna move in the same manner. Euro JPY has less wicks. GJ has some more wicks in the way. We're wick down here. But I think we're gonna test these lows. This is GJ. Let me see here. What do we just got a new 15-minute candle. Yeah, we just got a new 15-minute here. Look at the 4 hour here. I really like the Euro JPY sells too, guys. I really, really do. I like both a lot. We're moving. We're moving. What is their stop loss at here? 210,168. Oh. What is that? 182,759. Oops. We're in pretty decent shape here, though. It's sitting. It's sitting right here, which is good. It's not breaking above these two fair value gaps. Candle closure below the EMA ribbon. Downtrend confirmed. Everything up on our system here is locked and loaded. You know what I mean? Yeah, everything on all four confirmations. Exactly. Exactly. It's slow moving tonight. I'm going to put something in here. Short position. Testing a theory here. Getting a little bit of retracement, which is fine. But we're consolidating below the fair value gap, which is important. Minecraft music. This is just somebody that I found on YouTube that has really good streaming music, and it's what's the word I'm looking for? Royalty free. So I'm just using it. I like it. It's calming. It's good vibey music. And IMS. The indicator is my personal indicator gap. Correct. Yes, the fair value gap is acting as resistance. That is correct. And when you have multiple of them stacked on each other under the EMA ribbon after a sell signal, it's even stronger. It is even stronger. We always tell we're soon be outside policy. Trade direct trade. Getting a lot of movement here on the 5. Well, a little bit of movement from here to here, a couple pips. Either way. Couple pips either way. Here's the thing, too. On these charts, we gapped down to start, retested the entry, and just kept dropping. This is going to be good here. New 5-minute candle. Bearish. That's what we like to see. Shit's moving slow tonight, which is fine. Not necessarily mad at that, you know? About to get a new 15-minute here in a minute. Make sure this thing closes red. Red, and then it should fill the wick. The good thing is, though, if we retest the EMA ribbon here, which would be roughly 12 pips drawdown, and we get rejection of it, that's the go zone, baby. But we should continue down. The day chart itself alone, the day, the 4 hour, those charts alone are just showing so much bearish pressure. A lot of bearish pressure. Yeah, we're not trading Euro CHF, but yeah, the volume on Euro CHF is 6K, as opposed to the trade we're in has 18K in volume. Vankatesh. Sorry if I butchered your name. I apologize. We got a new 15-minute candle in 13 seconds, though. So 13 seconds, we're going to see what kind of candle we get here. Alright, here's our new candle. Should be forming here. It's a good candle close. Really good candle close. And going into the hour here, we're going to get some movement within the last couple minutes of the candle. Six pips and profit. Get back to that 24-ish. The previous lows would put us right around 30 pips. That's the idea. That's the area right there. There we go. Let's get the movement down. Let's get the movement down. What happened in New York this morning? There must have been red folder news in New York this morning. Because everybody is not trading tonight. Which means there was red folder news that liquidated everyone earlier today. Just a guess, but every time we have major red folder USD news in the morning, the Asian session is slower. And it's not just like something I've noticed. This is like a pattern. Over and over again. There we go. Let's push. Let's push back down. There we go. Good move. Good move. If you guys did re-enter on that drawdown, we're coming right back to TP1. Coming right back to TP1. There we go. Let's get this movement. Let's get this movement. About to hit TP1 again, guys. If you re-entered, congrats. We just scalped it up and down, baby. Scalped it up and down. Sydney, did you add a position? Yeah, this 1 hour's dropping. This is my personal indicator. See how it says match strategy up here? This is the indicator that I had coded for me. It gives you a buy and a sell based off all 4 of my rules. So it's a tool I use to confirm that what I'm seeing is correct when it does print the buy and sell signals. Boom, we blew through TP1, so that's good. And on the hour chart, we're dropping. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I just want to see TP2. That's it. Not asking for much. 23, 24 pips. Ideally, 43. And at the bottom, 56 pips would be huge. 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 Let's go. Let's get up to $1,000 in profit. Yeah, I want to see 209 as well. Yeah, I'd love to see 209. Ooh, that's some nasty movement there. You're going to get a lot of movement here coming into the last couple minutes. What do we got? 7 minutes and 30 seconds, guys, until we get our 8 o'clock hour. Andrew, what's up, man? How are you? Hope you had a good day, man. GJ sells. GBP, JPY sells is what we're in currently. Messing around in the GJ game, you know? We're getting the movement we want, too. There we go. Push down. I know, right? Baby, are you down, 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 down? You guys remember that song by Jay Sean? Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Break the lows. Let's go TP2. Let's go TP2, baby. We're 19. We're 20 pips in profit. 19.3 pips in profit. Well, we were. Oh, this thing's gonna drop. This thing's gonna drop. Did it smack it? There we go. TP2 for 24 plus pips. TP2 for 24 plus pips, guys. Boom. TP2 smacked. TP2 smacked. 24 plus pips. It was 209,544. It could go all the way. Touchdown. There we go. That's what we want to see. This is what we want to see, guys. 50% closed. Nice. Look what I got going on here in my small account, guys. In the small Z. Oh, shit. Oh, man. The small account, I'm trading 2 lots. I'm up $277. The big account, I'm trading 10 lots. I think I'm going to let it run. What I might do is take profit and then wait for it to come back up and make a wick, like right here, back at like TP1 area, and then re-enter. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds, though. Any kickback if you sign up with my broker? No. I mean, my broker is just has the best options, in my opinion. You know what I mean? It's just got the best everything. The best setup, the best metrics, the best spreads. Like, but I don't care what broker you guys use, you know? Doesn't matter to me. I have one. I do. I have one. That's mine right there. Aloha. What's going on? Aloha. We need to break these lows. Yeah, we already in it, baby. You know. Come on, you know how we do it here. Guess what we just got? You see that? We just got a sell on the hour. Oh, yeah. 30 to 1? Oh, my goodness. That's highway robbery. You got to trade 500. Well, I personally like that. Someone was telling me that there's a broker out there. Let's trade 1 to 2,000. If I could find that, I'd be a happy man. I'm sure the spreads are ass, though. You know what I mean? Let's go. We got some really nice movement here, guys. I don't think this thing's coming back up very far. We'll see, but let's look at let's just take a peek at the day chart here. I want to see something. That's just a good move. We want to see it break this low of the previous day. If we can break the low of the previous day here at 209.488, we'll be in really good shape. We'll see what happens in the next 5-10 minutes here. I love that it consolidated and then dropped. It's probably going to consolidate and then drop. It's just how the market moves. Far out. I don't know. I think it was Exness. I think Adele told me it was something. I don't remember the name of it. it's not necessarily the best broker, but 1 to 2,000 is wild. You can make a lot of money on a move like this. Here's our issue at TP2 right now. This has been rejected 3 times. That's the only thing that scares me here is we need to break this. But TP2 is where we wanted to go, you know what I mean? Like, TP2 is good, in my mind. But you've got a fair value gap here for this to stop on. Same here. It's gonna make its way back up to TP1. So shave the bottom. So we had no wick on the bottom. Yeah, that makes sense, Adam. I mean, most brokers are like this. I mean, when I withdraw, it's... Yeah, it's actually like, if this rejects, it'll be 4. Boy, actually... Well, they reached 3, so here's the thing. These two actually came down and reached 3 and 4. So I'm not going to count those. But recently, 1, 2, and 3, if this does. We have 2. 1 and 2. But we got to see what happens here. Because, like I said, the day chart and the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart has pretty much consistently rejected this area, other than this outlier right here. I don't really like any of these other charts, though. You know what I mean? Because I was looking to possibly get out and re-enter something else, but doesn't feel right. We just get a new 5-minute. We want this 5-minute to hold this fair value gap right here. This one. Because the previous 2 candles did not break the high of the bearish candle, which is good. It's always a good sign. It's struggling to move either way right now, which isn't necessarily a bad sign. You know what I mean? 5 minutes is a strong sell. Yeah, because it's rejecting it. There we go. Let's reject. Let's reject it. $8.08. Yeah, it's right on the screen. So take profit 1 we already hit, which was 209. Like 209.676. And then TP2 is 209.544, which we hit that already too. TP3 is 209.356. And then our final TP is like 209.215, 209.200 area. That's where we're targeting right now. That makes sense? Decent close there. Bearish close. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Of course. Yeah, the indicator works, man. It's like 90+% win rate. Just the indicator, yes. But you have to know how many pips you're going for based on... I know, me too. Me too, Sydney. You have to know how many pips you're going for based off the time frame. Like on the 5 minute, like it's 10 to 12 pips. On the 15 minute, it's like 12 to 20 pips. On the 1 hour, it's like 15 to 30 pips. So based on the buy and sell signal on each time frame, there's a different TP, but it also shows you. So like if you go to the match strategy right here, I could have it show entry, stop loss, and take profit. And I can also have it show my, I can also have it show the support and resistance, so you don't have to draw it out yourself. And then I have it auto switch to current time frame on the fair value gaps. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do with it. It's really actually a really, really good indicator in my opinion. And I'm not just saying that because it's mine. I mean, it's been thoroughly, thoroughly tested. Yeah, I'm with you there, Sydney. For the subscription to what? To the signals or to the indicator? Because they're two different things. Let's go here. So there's different levels depending on how long you want to do it, but for a month is 199 a month. For every six, for if you want to play twice a year, so every 6 months is 1,000, and then lifetime access is for $5,000. For lifetime access, you get all the updates, everything. You get all the updates with either of them, but I've sold quite a few at 199 for the month, and then they go for like 4 or 5 months, and then they switch to the lifetime. Just because, why not have it for the lifetime, especially when it's made you money? You know what I mean? So most people do that. Good question, though. Yeah, I'm in a trade, JV Joe. We're in sells on GBP JPY. JV Joe, are you in the Discord, my man? Because I send them in the Discord right when we get in. But yes, we are, man. We are. Good, sir. Could we please get a JPY trade idea, please? We're in a JPY pair trade there, Schubert. JPY is getting stronger, which is why everything else comparatively to the JPY is dropping. See this thing drive down. Eleven plus pips right now. Good move. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. So what we wanted to see, though, guys. I mean, we went pretty good through off of the first 5, 15, 30, an hour. It took us 1 hour from entry to get to TP2, a little over 25 pips. Really can't be mad at that, you know? Really can't be too upset about that. See this thing keep moving. There you go, 15-minute. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Tell you what, we get back to TP2, may pull it all out. We'll see, though. Nice, nice. It's a good re-entry. Again, my only fear, like we hit TP2 and that was great. My only fear is this. I don't like that right there. Obviously, we're still in profit. I still like the way this hour looks too with this wick down. We just want to see this thing push. We're only 19 minutes into the hour. Oh, it's doing that exactly. There we go. Good movement. Good movement. There we go. Let's go. What a push down there. This thing could fall. It's a good move. It's a really good move. Schubert, thank you. Sydney, man, that's a good move. Adam, speaking of movement, yeah, that's some movement, my boy. That is some movement. We get a new 5-minute too. Absolutely beautiful 5-minute candle there. Just straight rejection of the EMA ribbon. If we can break these damn lows right here, I'll be very happy. I just want to break these lows right here. Break it, retest it, and go to right here. Looks like we're on the way. Let's go. Flipped bearish. Let's just see it drive through that lower zone. So hard to be patient. This is the hardest part of trading. Screw the analysis, screw everything else. The sitting on your hands part and watching it try and break things is just so much harder. Boy, look at these tan lines from today. My goodness. Ooh. Let's go. Break the lows. Break the lows. We are currently 25 pips in profit. Let's go. Break those lows. We broke it. We broke it. Let's go. Breaking the lows. Let's tap that. $27 pips almost. 26.7. Am I close? Close to like pulling out? Close to what? Or did I close? No, I didn't close. Look at my live P&L right there. I'm still in it. Right? Ooh. Oh, wait. Where am I going? There it is. Right there. Depending on this 5-minute candle, though, I might just get out. Alright, push. I think I might close it, guys. I might close in full here at... Oh, it's going still. 25 pips. $24. There it is. Boom. Good move. Good move. Good move. Good move. All right, I'm closing 50%. Partial close. 50%. Boom. We just banked. Now I want to make some money. We did the work. So, I took 50% profit. All right, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to close 25% more. I just closed 25% more. So I have about 3.75 lots open. Oh, yeah. 3.75 lots open. And I'm going to move everything to break even. Boy, it's still dropping. Wow, look at it go. Let's go. See you, Adam. Have a good night, brother. That's it for me, guys. Move your stop loss to break even and risk-free trade. We made, let's see here. We made let me pull up the calculator here. Made 830.70 plus 214.86 plus 4.81 plus 15.33, $1,065. And we're in profit another 700. It'd be a $2,000 night. Be a $2,000 night again. Boy, that thing's just dropping its panties. As always, end it with one of these. $4-0 this week, guys. 4-0. 4 wins, 0 losses. It's a good week. Up over like close to 200 pips on the week. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for supporting the stream. I really appreciate you guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Good stuff. Sydney, Schubert, Theory, JV Joe, Adam, Adele, Jose. Everybody that showed up. Appreciate you guys. Have a great night.